Yeah, they want people to see the lake and not just a tall wall of grass. Now, decisions, left or right.
I think we should go back because we gotta be going to Knoebels soon.
But going back is not part of the nature walk. Ah! Bye, goosies.
Cannot wait to run into some like.
You just want to run into the marijuana.
There's nothing wrong with a little THC in your life,
For me, there's lots of wrongs with that.
but there's nothing wrong with that.
'Cause
He's implying that I smoke marijuana.
I cannot.
He's very right.
I
but
can.
still,
I cannot smoke that because I am allergic to.
I love the Mary Jane.
See, I'm allergic
Smoking.
to marijuana. Just can't smoke it. Can't eat it. Can't do anything. Every time I do, my heart wants to explode. I remember back in the day, I used to hook a line, and then I would be smoking my smoky cigarette while I was doing it, like this guy. That's me a few years back. Now I do this.
You babes.
Healthy smoke. Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Good. Good. Is there any bites out there?
My son's got a couple already.
Wow.
Awesome. Oh, I just seen a big old fish jump.
Did you hear that?
That was way out there. This camera kind of sucks at things far away.
Wow.
It
I'm
sucks
now
at
just
things far
realizing
away.
How big this freaking camp.
Using night crawlers? Gotta get yourself some night crawlers, buddy.
Hello.
They look at the green worm saying, nah. Hey. Thinking these are lily pads,
They are.
but they're not floating on the water. They a different kind of lily pads.
Should I start singing smoke on the water? Down, down, down.
Yep. I could have been fishing.
Oh, I forgot his fishing pole.
Hello. You guys catch anything? This thing is a camera that captures the entire world, not just the front. It sees back there, up there, down there, over there, everywhere. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then you can put on VR headset and see it like you're there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Have a good one.
You
Beautiful bean footage. Beautiful
bean
footage.
Permanent fishing on the lake.
No, it's not permanent, it's permit.
It's called catch and releasing. Mm-hmm.
Ooh, this one goes right down to the water. Right down to the water level. Look at that underwater forest. It's an underwater forest. Look at bubbles. Something under
what
there.
kind of bug is that?
Where?
The bright blue one. Did you see it?
Where?
Oh,
Hey, look at the fish right there.
Oh, look at the fishies.
Hey, fishy!
More fishies.
Don't worry, we're not here to catch you. We're not here to catch you. You want to come say hi to the camera? Yeah, want to come up? Come on.
Oh,
Hi.
he's coming.
Hey, big guy.
You're so pretty.
Aw, you're a pretty fishy. Bye-bye, fishy. Alright, so we gotta go up this way and then around that way.
This must be a tent one.
Yeah, 'cause no power.
Yeah.
No power, no plumbing.
But. Huge but.
Somebody lost their wig.
Look, I left my weave. I need my hair is way too thin. I need weave.
Look, that perfectly good hamburger holder just thrown away.
It's a toaster.
Or a toaster.
What is it?
You put things in there and then you put it on the grill. That would have been good for the steaks, probably.
Do you want it?
Nah. We got enough shit.
I know. We have so much. But we don't have that.
And you can't craft that.
Yes, you can. If you know how to work the metal.
That was words from Nemson. Check them out on YouTube.
Oh, stop.
You can't craft that.
We are not looking for Pokemon. Just saying.
Nope.
We are not. Could you imagine how many Pokemon?
We're looking for real animals.
So far, just fish, geese, and pedestrians.
And rocks.
I mean, we have this in New York State, but, you know, not as nice.
Yeah, all you gotta do is go to State Park. Got all this.
True. See the pedestrians in their natural habitat.
Hey, pedestrians. Hey, kiddo.
She's cute.
Hey, there's some free firewood.
I dare you to carry that all the way back. We have tons of firewood. Yeah.
No. I like scavenge hunting. Like that. Perfectly good, whatever the hell it is over there that's red. It's probably a chair.
We have 4.
Did somebody big break you? Did they break you? Budweiser chair. I had one too many beers. Snap. Oops. You get a wine. Oh, it's a hill, honey.
What?
It's a hill.
Yeah.
You like hills?
No, I'm just kidding.
I can see some sweat rolling off of your head.
I get some sweat trickling down your ass crack.
Probably.
Point taken.
Painting?
Taken.
Point taken?
Yep. I just.
Is that the Dodge Durango of campers?
Sheesh. Why go camping?
2500 series with big lights. It's pretty nice. I like. It's even got a, what is that little fucking, oh, I thought those were stairs, but it's just a wooden drying rack. It's like it's got a flight of stairs.
We're gonna stop in the store.
You heard the lady. She's the boss. I do what she said.
That's right. We'll try not to get heat exhaustion again. Oh.
Yeah, I think you guys in the campsite use that word a little too often. Heat exhaustion just means you is lazy, you eat too much, and you just want to go to bed.
That's the point of vacation.
Oh, I got heat exhaustion. I must go lay down. My head hurts so bad. Man.
No, I seriously had a horrible headache.
Ah, yeah.
We also need to put more air in our queen size air mattresses.
You got a headache from me banging your head off the ground last night? Nah. Just kidding. We've calmed down in our later years. But back when she had headaches every morning.
You're such an ass. Yeah, I don't think I want to know about our sex life. I really don't.
Who says I was talking about sex life?
You're so full of shit.
You have a dirty mind.
Oh, you were insinuating.
You have a
You
dirty mind.
definitely were
Dirty,
insinuating.
dirty, dirty mind.
This door is open.
We going in here?
Yep, we are. Because I have yet
Inception.
to look around.
Get on in there.
Woo.
Are you coming in here to look at stuff and not buy anything?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
Because I haven't been in here.
Oh, you haven't been in here yet?
No, just
The
to
first
check
day
in.
that I took video,
Yeah.
you weren't in here?
I was in here checking in, but I didn't get a chance to look around. Hey!
I am so judgmental.